Hello everyone! Today, I am going to explain about my podcast video as a listening assignment, and the title is How to Stay Calm Under Pressure. So, do you know the meaning about the pressure? What is pressure? Pressure is an emotional condition when we experience feelings of stress or burden that are being faced in a certain situation. In various ways, in some places, pressure is seen as a motivator pushing people to achieve great things. In others, it's viewed as something to be managed carefully. Facing pressure has become a common thing in our lives. When we are facing important moments such as exams, interviews, or competitions, sometimes when facing an important moment, we have prepared and practiced, but when the time comes, we might be silent or forget what to do. We feel confused about how to cope the situation or what is called choking under pressure. Causes of the pressure. The reason we choke under pressure is because we become too anxious and too focused on the outcome. This can block our minds and make us nervous, causing to make mistakes. It can also make us worry too much, and instead of trusting ourselves, we start to doubt. Sometimes, the voice inside our head can be our biggest critic. It might say things like, "What if I fail?" or "I'm not good enough." From pressure, there are impacts that we feel. Whether we become anxious, nervous, confused, stressed, or even lose confidence about the situation we are facing. For example, when I was in high school and was taking the final exam, I feel nervous and stressed. I experienced high pressure because in one day, the school gave 3 subjects with 75 questions each subject plus a short time, and all of them were written exams. I was confused about which one to study first, didn't know where to start memorizing until I wanted to give up. However, then I tried to calm down and start memorizing the exam material, which would probably come out very hard, until I only slept 2 hours. I studied again at dawn and in between exam breaks. Finally, I was able to pass my final exam and get a good score. How to cope it? The important thing to cope with pressure is to accept that it's okay to feel nervous because nobody is perfect and everyone makes mistakes. Be kind to yourself. Know that with patience and practice, you can rise above the pressure. We must focus on our own journey and goals instead of focusing on what other expect. By doing so, we can enjoy the process of learning and growing. Pressure makes diamonds. It means that challenges can bring on the best in us. It's okay to feel pressure, but we need it to find ways to cope with it. So, we are going to move to my reflections. I chose this topic because I think the podcast topic is fascinating and is often experienced by everyone, including myself. And it is not uncommon for people to experience stress and even confusion. From this podcast teaches us how to stay calm and always try when under pressure. The second one, how did the speaker use language to convey ideas? The speakers use simple language and is easy to understand for beginners like me. Besides that, They also provide many examples and parables to explain the topic. For example, a young bird that learning to fly every day, it practices flapping its wings, jumping from branch to branch. One morning, the bird felt ready to take its first real flight. It climbed to a higher branch, took a deep breath, and jumped into the air. But suddenly, fear gripped the bird. It forgot how to flap its wings and began to fall just before it hitting the ground. It managed to remember and flew back up to safety. The bird wondered why I forgot what I practiced so many times. The third, what kinds of challenges did you feel when listening to the audio? The challenge I felt when listening to the podcast was that there were some vocabulary or phrases that I didn't know, and I had to translate them first. For example, like short, overwhelmed, immersing, rise, flapping, stumble, etc. The last number, how did the speaker's tone, pacing, or accent affect your comprehension of the episode? In my opinion, the speakers of the video podcast that I chose use a cheerful tone, moderate pace, and a fairly clear accent, so it was easy for me to understand. Okay everyone, now we are at the end of the video. Thank you for watching and listening my podcast Sanmari. I hope you can understand the content and enjoy the topic. Have a nice day!